Good day students. So in this video, this is the last video of our unit number 4, that is the last unit, is Bitcoin versus Ethereum. So what is the difference between Bitcoin and Ethereum, that actually we are going to study here. So Bitcoin, as we know, that it's a digital currency that can be transferred on a peer-to-peer network without the need for any central authority. So it's an open network, and it was invented by Satoshi Nakamoto in the year 2008, and all the transactions are stored in an immutable distributed ledger. So it is created, stored, transacted and distributed using a decentralized distributed system which is known as blockchain. Then public ledger records all the transactions of the Bitcoin, and copies are retained on all the nodes or all participating entities. And it is not necessary to buy an entire Bitcoin. One can buy only a fraction of it, and that is all is necessary. Then whereas in Ethereum, it is a blockchain based distributed platform. The network currency of Ethereum is known as Ether, and here also the transactions are stored in an immutable distributed ledger. So Ethereum is designed to be scalable, decentralized and programmable. It provides a flexible platform to build applications using Solidity scripting language, and transactions are sent and received in user created Ethereum account. So let us understand few points of difference between Bitcoin and Ethereum. So basically, if you could look at the definition, Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that can be transferred on a peer-to-peer network, whereas Ethereum is a decentralized global software platform which is provided by blockchain technology, and it is most commonly known for its own cryptocurrency which is called Ether. If you could look at the history, Bitcoin was invented in the year 2008 by Satoshi Nakamoto, and then currency came into use in the year 2009, whereas Ethereum was invented by Vitalik Buterin in the year 2013, and then it went live in the year 2015. The purpose of Bitcoin was to replace the national currencies during the financial crisis of 2008, whereas the purpose of Ethereum was to utilize blockchain technology for maintaining a decentralized payment network and storing the computer code. If you could look at the smart contracts, so although Bitcoin do have the smart contracts, they are not as flexible or complete as Ethereum smart contract, whereas Ethereum smart contracts will allow us to create the smart contracts are computer codes, and that is stored on a blockchain and executed when the predetermined terms and conditions are met. So it is much more advanced and provides much more functionalities we can add in the Ethereum smart contracts. Okay, then if you could look at smart contract programming language, for Bitcoins, they are written in a programming language like Script or Clarity, whereas here in the Ethereum we have Viper, Solidity, etc. Transactions, generally Bitcoin transactions are only for keeping nodes, whereas Ethereum transaction may contain some executable code. Hash function, Bitcoin uses SHA-256, whereas Ethereum uses KK-256 algorithm. Then consensus mechanism, Bitcoin uses proof of work and Ethereum uses proof of stake. The block formation time for Bitcoin is 10 minutes, whereas it is very less for Ethereum. It is 15 to 17 seconds in Ethereum. The block limit for Bitcoin was 1 MB, whereas the block limit for Ethereum there is no such limit for the block size of Ethereum. So this is basically is the difference between Bitcoin and Ethereum.